Good day everyone, this is Engineer Jom Digia. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve a random past board exam problem under the subject statics of rigid bodies, specifically angle between two vectors. So the problem is find the angle between vector A, which is equal to 2i plus 2j minus k, and vector B, which is 6i minus 3j plus 2k. So we have four choices here. Letter A, 79 degrees. Letter B, 81 degrees. Letter C, 85 degrees. And letter D is 77 degrees. So for our solution in this kind of problem, so let us recall the formula for the angle between two vectors. This is given by the theta. So yung symbol na theta is equals to arc cosine ng ratio ng dot product ng ating dalawang vector. So A dot B divided by the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. So yung magnitude nilang dalawa. So lagyan na lang natin ng ganito, no? Yan. So we just substitute, no? So para dun sa dot product ng nasa numerator natin, so yung I element ng vector A, i-multiply lang natin sa I element ng vector B. So followed by, ipa-plus lang natin, and then product ulit ng J element naman ng ating vector A, tapos doon sa J element ng vector B, and then magpa-plus ka na naman. So ipa-plus mo doon sa product naman ng ating K element ng vector A and K element ng vector B. So magiging ganito siya, no? So 2 magiging 2 times 6 plus 2 times negative 3. So isasama yung sign convention, no, ng mga element. So plus negative 1 and multiplied by 2. So divided by the product of the magnitudes of the two vectors. Yung magnitude ng ating vector A is masosolve natin sa pamamagitan ng square root, no, ng 2 squared plus 2 squared plus negative 1 squared. So ito yung mga element, no, ng ating vector A na in-square root natin, and then in-square natin yung no, nasa loob. So multiply, so multiply lang. So by the magnitude again ng ating vector B naman. So 6 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. So and then let us solve using our calculator. So for our theta, so reset muna natin yung calculator before anything else. So our cosine sa numerator is 2 times 6 is 12 plus 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 divided by the square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared plus negative 1 squared. So multiplied by the magnitude ng vector B, which is 6 squared plus negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. So enclose natin sa parenthesis yung pinakadulo, no? So magiging sagot natin dito is 79, no? 79.02. So ganun yung magiging final answer natin, 79.02, or yan ay equal sa 79 degrees. This is your final answer for this kind of problem. So napaka-basic lang naman kunin, 'di ba? Yung angle between two vectors. So naman nakatulong sa inyo ang tutorial na ito, and magamit ninyo sa inyong aralin sa statics and also sa review for your board exam. So again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and God bless us all.